Welcome to today's video. Absolutely beautiful day for riding today. Loads of people out. It's a Sunday in Surrey Hills. I'm with Daisy. I'm wearing green shorts. Good times. Even though I had that great tip off from Neil the other day about some new routes, we've opted for the least adventurous Three Hills route. There's a massive headwind today, so it's probably going to be tailwind on the way home. There'll be headwind as well on the way home. All going to plan today. I'm going to rendezvous with my old coach Andy at the top of Box Hill because I haven't seen him in ages. And he hasn't been in these videos for ages. First climb of the day coming up now, Staple Lane. Staple Lane's going to be windy.
I think this is the nicest road in Surrey.
What, this bit?
Yeah.
It is very smooth, isn't it?
It's so smooth. There's like no cars. It's all downhill basically.
This is a prison.
All the naughty ladies go here.
It is a women's prison.
No, when you get really sticky mouth.
No.
Like dry mouth after you've been riding for a bit.
No.
Okay.
On the way out, just saw Mark Frost. Shout out to Mark Frost. Sorry I didn't pull the camera out, but it was quite a busy road. He has a YouTube channel as well. You should check it out. We've got his merch in our studio. You know, the light bulb. Mark Frost from IKEA.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
What? You don't know it? You've got his merch.
His merch?
Yeah. There's a light bulb called Mark Frost.
There's actually a light bulb called Mark Frost.
North Duddon. What are the sensations? There's a lot of people out on the road today, so there's a lot of swinging going on. Apparently blokes really don't like being overtaken by Daisy, so as soon as we go past then you get this whole like trying to attack thing, and then she still rides away anyway. So there's no point, guys, just give up. She's faster than you.
I think that should be the etiquette though. If you've overtaken someone once and just like accept that that's happened.
Yeah.
And it's like when you get to a set of traffic lights and the people you've overtaken then get in front of you, and then you have to do it again. It's like, just don't keep doing it because it's just going to keep happening. Like I'm happy to accept when people take over me. Like I'm used to it.
It's like a little it's like a little switch is flicked as soon as they see you, and they try and smash it to catch up and they can't. Nearly at Box Hill now. Annoyingly, this is the first time ever Andy has been early. So he's waiting for me at the top. I mean it, he's always been late. Andy Edwards. I was just telling everyone that you're usually late. And I'm on time today. Right, so for the last few days, Andy has been talking about some friends he has who have started a while ago, something called Ridefest. I want to find a bit more out about it.
2 meters or 1 meter? We've gone.
So we'll come here because it's too noisy.
Ridefest is basically, as the name suggests, just a festival of riding. We try to get everybody who's interested in just riding their bikes to get on their bikes and ride. That's what Ridefest is all about, really. How we started was just a conversation between myself and Anyton in a ski resort on a chairlift, and that's how it all started. Yeah. And it basically comes out of Ridefest, Ski Fest, which is a bunch of skiers. We've been skiing for 20 years. And the question was posed, how many people in the ski group ride bikes? And here we are today.
It must be going well because you've got 30 riders out today.
Absolutely,
loads
yeah.
of members.
You know, not to repeat what Richard has mentioned, obviously back in 2016, it came as a result of a conversation over a chairlift where we discovered that there's a number of people within our ski group that cycle, both male, females, MTB cyclists and so on and so forth. So we kind of set up the group. Currently we've got about 75 odd members, equally 50% females and 50% males. But the good thing about the group is that it's every ability. So we're not just focusing purely on those who could do endurances or those who could do speeds and racing categories. It's about every single mile that you do. We totally encourage you. And the group is growing. Yeah.
Amazing. And if people want to come and join you,
okay.
You've got an Instagram page,
yes,
we've got a meeting place.
So we've just started this whole getting into the social media bandwagon. So we have an Instagram page which is Ridefest 2016, and we've also got a Facebook page which is just Ridefest. We've also got a Strava group which is Ridefest, and welcoming to everybody. I'll make sure I put all the details for that down below, and I'm going to catch up with some of the women in the group on Saturday. Mike, did you do it again?
I'm trying to put ice cream, okay?
You got ice cream on your face. So good to catch up with Andy and be introduced to the guys at Ridefest. Really cool little club they've got going on there. And half the members are women, which is so unusual in cycling. It's the thing that hopefully will happen more. But really cool to see clubs like that around. Oh, luckily we've had tailwind home. Also lucky, I've been able to sit on Daisy's wheel. Someone's put some bricks to make it easier to, Something cool has turned up. MTB tyres. I don't ride an MTB. Maybe I do. So I've finally taken the plunge and I've started getting parts together to build an MTB. Wilier are very kindly lending me a frame, so I just need to like buy forks and shocks and all of that stuff that I don't understand. So it's kind of been a bit of a learning process for me. I've been online trying to work out all the differences in group set, and there's just so much. It's like starting cycling from scratch again. There's like XTR and then XT, and Dior XT is the same as XT, and it's just complicated. Anyway, first piece of the puzzle. Tyres. This feels like one of those lockdown videos where I just unbox stuff. Some of you guys might remember Greg. He makes the Nutter GoPro mount. And this, I can show you this bit, this is like the normal Nutter mount. He's made me a very special version I might be able to fit to a through axle. Naturally, the design is top secret, so I'm not going to show you, but it basically allows you to put a GoPro right down near your wheel, which for a fixed mount is actually a very interesting place to be, and you don't see it that much, so I'm going to have a go with that. Let me know in the comments what you think of the footage. I'm going to end today's video now because I am exhausted. I've been riding loads and loads and loads since the summer solstice ride. I've tried to have days off, but I'm not very good at that, so I've ended up riding myself into a hole. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. Really appreciate your support, and a big welcome to all of the new viewers. I've never seen the channel grow at this sort of speed, so I just want to get across how massively thankful I am for that. Thank you to everybody who regularly watches, comments and likes. It really helps out. I'm going to be spending a little bit of time in the studio, hopefully filming some Bike Fit Tuesdays, which I haven't in a long time. I also have some more structured videos coming along for new riders. So yeah, just really thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.